I don't have that code. It's useless to you. I'm telling you, you're just gonna have to kill me.
Okay.
In Joe Takagi's defense, he really shouldn't be able to recall the hopefully very complicated passwords to the company vault. Same goes for you and I, regardless of what we have to protect. So creating a password usually follows a pattern like this. Take something familiar, add a tricky spelling, plus a number or symbol. I had a client who used this strategy. He owned 2 black dogs, which became, and then kept track of them by modifying the core password like this. Can you figure out to which accounts they belong? The problem is that the human brain is great at creating things, but is actually pretty bad at remembering them. Luckily, there's a secure solution to managing passwords and other credentials. First rule of password creation. If you can't remember it, it's probably good. LastPass has a built-in generator that can make your passwords unique with options to increase length and complexity. This can be set for separate instances, because some accounts won't let you use certain characters or must include multiple components, like case, numeral, or length specifications. The app does more than just create and keep passwords though. It can store and autofill passwords as well as keep secure notes for things like Wi-Fi passwords and membership info. It can also keep track of contacts, payment cards, and banking information. And there are more features at the paid levels, all encrypted and only reachable by you. Nothing is seen by LastPass. LastPass is available on your computer or phone through a web page, or on your computer as a browser extension, and on your phone as an app. So no matter where you are, you can get to your information easily and securely. And all the functions for generating new passwords and saving are available regardless of the version you use. So if you often feel like this when trying to create or recall passwords, download LastPass and start using it today. Need a private tutorial on how to use LastPass and other privacy apps? Check out courses.ndsprivacy.com for coaching offers.